I want to clarify something. I'm sorry to interrupt, but this steak is mine. Welcome back to episode 19 of Car to Table, part 2. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chef David Rodriguez, owner of the International Fine Dining Food Truck, and this is Chef Adam Streubing, the executive at the Madison Club. We're gonna run inside and make dinner for Eric and Tracy, so let's hop to it. Hey!
Come on in.
Absolutely. I've got a handful of paper here. I'm David.
Eric, how are you?
Nice to meet you, David.
Tracy,
Hey,
nice to meet you.
Adam. Eric, how are you? Good.
All right, Eric, Tracy, thank you so much for taking us into your home, allowing us to make a little bit of a mess and some really good food in your kitchen. I can't wait to get started. Adam, why don't we get the goodies out here? I guess we'll start with, this is from Metcalf's, also a little something from Square Wine Company.
I usually like to give people pumpkins.
Oh,
I love
So
it.
this is for you, just
Thank
for
you.
decor, or you can eat it in a month, or I don't know, whatever you want. And then also, this is from the club. It's a year membership for the two of you. Everything's in there to get set up, and just try it out and
awesome.
come hang out.
Thank you very much. Wow.
Wait a second.
So we wanted to do something a little different tonight. We're doing a wine dinner, so we're gonna open these, we're gonna taste them, and then we're gonna make some stuff to pair with them.
This is the best kind of dinners.
Let's know what kind of a week we've had.
Yeah, right.
And it's only Monday.
Wine, most of our dinners are wine dinners, but they're not maybe like this.
What do we got?
All right, we got some steaks, oyster mushrooms, 3 different local cheeses, some sweet corn, heirloom tomatoes, carrots, and shallots. And then, of course, whatever you have in here. We'll find out in a minute.
Toaster waffles.
All right, so steak and waffles.
Yeah.
Ooh, very nice. Some ground cherries. It's like a gold mine. in here.
I love
Beautiful.
brown cherries. The melon could be a little questionable, I'm not going to lie.
Ooh, some questionable melon.
Yep.
I found these Gulf shrimp in the freezer. I'm just gonna thaw them real quick. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but it just seems like the first step right now. So with the sparkling, I think we're gonna do a heirloom tomato melon salad.
Beautiful.
With fresh basil, and then ground cherries, and then I'm gonna use this citrus champagne vinegar I found with some sunflower oil.
Okay.
Make a vinaigrette with the bee pollen.
We have garlic.
Garlic in the fridge, and then sunflower seeds in the cabinet to garnish with this gold cheese. Shrimp, did you be able to peel them?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna use the save the shells, please.
Okay.
Treat. What do you do with the shells?
Make a little shrimp stock. Flavor your sauce.
Oh my gosh, next level.
I'll give you a teeny tiny heads up just so you don't worry. Our Vitamix likes to leak out the bottom a little bit. So just
a
so.
little bit.
Oh, perfect. Oh yeah, you weren't kidding.
No.
Sorry.
That's the bee pollen, if you ever had it.
Oh my gosh. What would you typically add bee pollen to?
I just eat it, straight up.
Okay.
Usually. I haven't really ventured into cooking with it much. That's why I brought it. I thought it'd be weird. And fun.
I like
don't
it.
know. So yeah, I got the shrimp stock going. Oven's on. Roast the corn real quick, and then we'll just shuck it. Get in the pot with some of that milk in there, and then veg stock from the fridge with the shrimp stock to bulk it up. Maybe steep the husks in real quick.
He's talking to himself.
Yeah, that's what I do.
I like it.
So I made a vinaigrette with the bee pollen and the champagne vinegar and some raw honey. The theme too I started going with was we'll start with like a end of summer kind of dish, salad, and we'll kind of transition into the fall. Sweet corn in the middle, kind of, corn moon's coming up.
Do you want to do these in the broiler, or should we fire up the grill?
Let's fire up the Weber.
Another sponsor. Boom! What are you putting the apples in?
I was gonna make a little salad on top of the steak.
Okay. Apple salad.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's just made a quick pickle with the ginger beer in the fridge.
Nice.
Oh, so it's the heirloom tomatoes, the Tuscan melon, ground cherries, the Bellavitano gold cheese, and a bee pollen vinaigrette with some fresh basil.
Incredible.
I just took one bite of melon. It was incredible.
So with the steak, I think we're just gonna grill these oyster mushrooms and that broccoli I found in your fridge.
Now, the Elmo spatula, that's a special one.
Is that alright if I use it?
Absolutely. I'm glad
kidding.
somebody is.
What is over there?
Oh, I said the char crust on the peaches,
Ooh.
and then that'll be one of the garnishes on the soup. Do you want me to
Oh,
Don't actually how
you
this
know
works.
what? You said clean them, and then I stopped.
So when you guys are recommending like your wine pairings, what is it like? What kind of flavors are you guys looking for?
I can't speak to this meal specifically.
Yeah.
But when I am pairing wine, I want to have complementary flavors. A really light bodied wine with something big, you're not going to be able to taste it. The primary concern, the primary thing, is that you like what you're drinking.
What made you select the sparkling for the first course?
Because I thought, because I found that champagne vinegar, so I thought that would kind of like went with that a little bit. And then the Pinot Noir kind of tasted like tomatoey melon to me. It kind of had like that like body to it.
Yep.
So I thought it paired nicer than the rosé. I don't know. I'm just trying to use as much as I can find in your cabinet. 'Cause I
Please.
thought
Cool.
it'd be fun.
No,
So we're also gonna
That'll
throw
be
this
fun.
popcorn on the soup.
what?
Seems like a
I
good
like
idea.
it.
We have popcorn?
So what are you cooking the shrimp in over there?
The pepper melange. Graduate school.
So we got the prime steaks going, the oyster mushrooms on the grill, and then the broccoli I found in the fridge. Just get a nice char and everything.
Yeah, I wanted to get the sides. They've got that nice fat. If we can char that.
So we have the sweet corn and macadamia nut soup, some fresh basil, and then there's the buttermilk blue cheese, some shrimp, sauteed shrimp with bell peppers, char crusted peaches, buttermilk blue, I said already, and some popcorn.
And we're drinking this. We're pairing this one with the French rosé, Côte de Provence.
Quite nice.
So I'll do puree, veggies piled up, steak fanned, and then the cilantro.
Are you gonna cut them, the steaks?
Yeah.
Got it.
So we have a black chai tea and carrot puree, the base, and then there's the fennel crusted and wild rice crusted prime steak, New York strip on the grill. There's the charred oyster mushrooms and broccoli from the fridge, and then there's a ginger beer pickled apple and cheddar kind of salad on top with some fennel pollen.
For me, when I think of pairing a wine with anything on the grill adds smoke, it adds char, it adds a lot of things that are really powerful in your mouth, so you need something that can stand up to it. We're drinking a Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a California, and to me, it's classic California, big, like punchy in the mouth, dry, and really a perfect pairing for what you guys are about to eat. So,
Looks fabulous. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Tracy, Eric, thank you so much for letting us cook in your kitchen, make a really beautiful meal. Good work.
You as
Thank
well.
you, Adam. Thanks everyone for watching, and cheers.
Cheers.
We'll see you on the next one. Adam, good work, man.
You too, David.
You nailed the pairing dinner. Eric and Tracy were really happy. They had a good time. I had a good time. I want to thank Minnie of Madison. I want to thank Metcalf's. I want to thank the Square Wine Company, and I want to thank you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in hosting Card to Table, and by that I mean we're going to come cook at your house, go to isthmus.com/Card to Table, and we'll see you on the next one. It's a hybrid, so it's really quiet.